Alright, what's good, YouTube? Y'all know what's going on. It's your boy Eli. We coming back with another banger. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all my strategy as far as coming on with the funded accounts and soon the live account. But just for future reference, if anybody want to know or anybody want to know what I trade SMC. But I put in my own little twist to it. You know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. I'm just now finding out about the SMT. The SMT divergence, so I'm throwing that in there a little bit too, on the 5 minute time frame and also the 15 minute time frame. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of this trade from earlier, but I'm gonna show y'all how I go into it on a daily basis. I also use this indicator right here, that show you each time frame. So it show you New York session, Asian session, London session, New York AM session, New York PM session, and Asia once again. So these indicators show me like all the highs for each session, because what I'm noticing is that every session has a high and low, and the next session seek to take that session high or low out. You get what I'm saying? So say like right here, right? Um, say like for example right here, we have London highs right here and London lows right here, and New York session open, and what we do, we come up to take out London session liquidity, and we come straight down. You know what I'm saying? Same old, same old, same old. It does this for every time frame. I'm gonna show y'all once again right here. We got Asia high, Asia low, and what London session do? London session come up to take them out and then come back lower. So I add that a little bit into my strategy. This indicator is called is it constellation zones? Nah, I think it's, you type in ICT and it's the kill zones, and you'll see everything. Type in ICT kill zones and you'll see it right here. By trade for PPP. Oh, I'm sorry. Trade for op. I'm sorry. So yeah. All right. So let's get right into it. All right. So first, I go on a daily because what we want to do is look for market structure. Look what the market looking forward to, either if it's bullish or bearish. You know what I'm saying? But right now we in a bearish market because we breaking structure to the downside. So I'm be looking for sales. You get what I'm saying? So first thing I do is mark out all my liquidity. I got high liquidity up here, sell side liquidity up here, buy side liquidity up here. Let me reset it. Actually, I'm not, so I'm gonna show y'all. And then from there, I say, okay, got liquidity up here, liquidity up here. Let's find out where the market want to go. What's the next point of interest that the market is looking forward to? Because the market moving ups and downs, and it's looking for an interest point where price is. That's what price action is. So we're looking for a point of interest. So what I started to do is mark down fair value gaps, and I'm not gonna show y'all the confluences, but I'm just showing y'all my strategy, how I put it all together. I mark out all my fair value gaps, all my order blocks, and all my liquidities. You get what I'm saying? That price could potentially go to. I'm not gonna fill my whole screen up with fair value gaps and liquidities and order blocks. Only the ones that price is looking forward to going into. What's the interest point that is going to right there? You know what I'm saying? So I come here. You see how we at this low? We at this low right now. Price. So we got this 4-hour order block right here. So mark the 4-hour order block. So yeah, from this to this, from that wick to that wick, bring it out. You know, I like to color mine, so I'm gonna color it. So here we go, and then from there, I will put 4-hour order block. And a lot of people, they don't be specific, but I like to be specific with mine, because sometimes I might put a line or a block right there, and I'm like, what's this block for? You get what I'm saying? I don't even remember what I put the block there for. So then from there, I'm like, okay, we should be tapping into this order block, because this is the next point of interest. You know, we got this liquidity up here. We also got this other 4-hour order block, but that's not where we going yet. Now, if markets start going bullish, then I'm going to scale back to the higher time frames and start marking off this fair value gap, because that's could be a next potential point of interest. You get what I'm saying? So then from there, after I'm on the 4-hour, so let me cancel all these things down. I'm gonna show y'all the trade I took. That's why I wasn't deleting these off, but I'm gonna delete them off. So then after I mark off my order block, I start to mark off my liquidity. So it's okay. Liquidity up here that we could potentially go to, because that's next in range. It's some liquidity down here under this order block. But if it break this order block, then I mean we taking out this liquidity. You get what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna mark that down because that's not what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for it to tap into. I'm looking for it to. Hold on. Where's my stuff at? Right here. I'm looking for it to tap into this order block, do, and come back up for buys. You get what I'm saying? Because remember, we in a downtrend right now, but the overall market structure is bullish. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I'm looking for. So then I go here. I say okay. Then now we just want to play the patient game. So it's okay. Okay, 4 hour looking cool. This looking like a 4 hour, 1 hour type trade. But then I'm gonna scale down to the 5 minute, 15 minute to get an entry. So I go down to the 1 hour just to see any more confluences. So I said, okay, we already tapping into this. So then I said, okay, let me see what session are we in, right? So I turn my indicator on. So it's okay. I see we tapping into this order block and we respecting it. So that's good. You get what I'm saying? So I said, okay, let's scale to the 30 minute, right? So I said, okay. And only reason you might see on lower time frames that we breaking this, but on the 1 hour we didn't break it. So we're gonna go with the 1 hour. You get what I'm saying? Confluence, which is that we still didn't break this. So that's what I'm saying. We still didn't break this order block, even though the 30 minutes say we did, but we really didn't, because the higher time frame said we didn't. You get what I'm saying? Because the higher time frame hold more weight than the lower time frames. So then I go to the 30 minute. I said, okay, what session are we in? We in an Asian session right now. So I'm gonna put the Asian session high, Asian session low. And what I'm looking forward to is for us to come down and sweep Asia session low for London session, tap into this order block, and then just fill us up for buys. You get what I'm saying? That's what I'd be looking forward to. So then, then from there, I will go 15 minute. Then I start marking off other indications that give me my structure. So what I'm looking for is for us to go bullish and then tap in, like I said. So okay, I got this 15 minute. I got this 15 minute fair value gap. You get what I'm saying? And I'm gonna mark it up too. I'm gonna say 15 minute fair value gap. Bam. So I say, okay, that's good. That's good right there. This is good structure. Coming up, coming back down, and then we might potentially also sweep this 15 minute liquidity as well. So either way it work. So I'm gonna mark off 15 minute liquidity, right? So that means we're gonna come down, take two, you know what I'm saying, levels, point of interest. Let me put point of interest. Point of interest. And then I'm gonna put point of interest. And then we already know the order block is a point of interest, right? So then from there, this is what I'll be waiting for. You get what I'm saying? So let's see how it will go. Oh my God. All right, so yeah, so basically that's how I would set up my strategy. You get what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all me back testing, and me playing the strategy out. I know you know that way, that's crazy. 'Cause that's actually a nice trade. That's actually crazy. I just did that off the strength on accident. I need that other trade that I just had, and that's the one go. That was a beautiful trade. All right. Okay, so now I back tested. So now we're gonna see it live. You know what I'm saying? So I can show you how my day will go. So I come into the market. That's okay. You know what I'm saying? We got daily lows right here. We got a daily high right there. We got a fair value gap right here that I will mark off, and I will put daily fair value gap in it. Let me move this. already know. Make sure I get y'all prayer in. Oh, I just deleted it. I didn't even do it. All right, bang. So, fair value gap. So I go onto the 4 hour because this is all I really need for real. You know what I'm saying? I could say this could be a possible point of interest. Remember, this is a daily, so it can go either way. We part in both sides just because it can go either way while you in the market. Point of interest. Because right now we're bullish, but we also trailing back up. So it's like right now could go either or, and we got this daily fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? So I go 4 hour. Okay, bang. Let's see what it holds. So now we got this other daily. Now we got this 4 hour order block that fair value gap that we tapped into. That we also just respected. You know what I'm saying? But it could also tap into this It also tap into this liquidity and come down. You get what I'm saying? But what we doing is marking it down to see which way the market want to go into. So this is a point of interest. This is another point of interest. You get what I'm saying? So now that I got this confluence for the day, I said, okay, we got this 4 hour fair value gap that we tapping into. Now my next point of interest will be up here. You get what I'm saying? Because look at all this buying pressure to the upside. You get what I'm saying? But remember, it can go either way. So I'm gonna put a point of interest. It's just me marking it down. Point of interest, right? So bang. So then I go to the 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? Even on the 1 hour respecting, we got other 1 hour. We got other 1 hour. What's it called? But then I said, okay, you know what? We do have all these things, right? We do have this bullish. We do have this bullish fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? And this other daily fair value gap. But you know what we forgot? We got this big bearish, you know what I'm saying, fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? That's why we got to be mindful. So I'm glad that actually happened. So then bang. If I would have never seen this big bearish fair value gap, we would have went for buys and we would have been cooked. You know what I'm saying? But we got more selling pressure on a fair value gap than we do on these two little bullish fair value gaps. So then when I scale down, I already know out of this price range, this is a huge sell-off price range right now. You get what I'm saying? So I will be looking for sales at this point. So then I'll scale back down. After I do that, I'm like, okay. And then we got we got so much selling pressure in here. We got other fair value gaps inside of it. You get what I'm saying? So, bang, I'm like, okay. From here, I said, okay. I will keep this noted, but now I'm looking for sales. So my bias for the day is just straight sales. So what I be looking for is, okay, we got this bearish 1 hour fair value gap and we tapped into it, now we're going lower. So I will put 1 hour fair value gap, right? And I'll scale in, and then I start going down to the lower time frames because now I'm looking for an entry. You get what I'm saying? So scale down. Got another little fair value gap in this fair value gap, but I just got to note it mentally, a mental note. So then, you know what I'm saying, we gonna let it play out. We're going to 15 minutes and let it play out. Cause this could be a possible trade where we take a trade where this could be our TP1. I'm gonna mark it down just in case. This could be our TP1. You know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. And then this could be our TP2 down here. So this wick right here. This another low. Actually, to this black candle. This could be a TP2 right here. And then bang, you know what I'm saying? But we looking for an entry because we also right here we got this 15 minute. We got this 15 minute fair value gap also as well. We got to note it, but I'm gonna show y'all just so y'all can see with your eyes. We got a little Spider-Man thing going on right here. 15 minute fair value gap. So it's okay. Let's watch it play out. If it tap into this, is what I will have right here marked up for the day. If it tap into here, then I already know. But then I will also check my indicator as well. I go here, say okay. New York high. We didn't get to sweep out London sessions though, so yeah. But we almost taken out London lows though. So I mean New York lows. So that's a good thing. So it could possibly come down, sweep these lows, and then go back up, tap into this fair value gap. So let's see how it play out. Which it did. Okay. keep watching it play out. So yeah, we'd have been here for the day, but yeah. Let's see what we missed of that. So out of this crazy bearish fair value gap, we went lower. So being mindful when actually saying that was good. So let's see where we could have got an entry here. Cause then that's just how the cookie crumble. You know, sometimes we trade. Sometimes you'll be expecting it to go a certain way. Oh, it's not. I don't know what the hell this is. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's just where the cookie crumble. But so right here, if it wasn't this 15-minute fair value gap, I missed this 15-minute fair value gap right here. This one right here, and then bam. Mark it off, 15-minute fair value gap. And then I could have put my entry here and put my stop above this high, and then targeted TP1 and TP2 that got smacked out just like that. So if me being mindful and saying, okay, we might not tap all the way up into this fair value gap, it created another fair value gap. And just being more mindful and conscious that, you know what I'm saying, another fair value gap could get made, you know what I'm saying, even though it didn't touch into this one. It made a new fair value gap, tapped into it with this wick right here. So let me show y'all. It came up, came down, made this fair value gap, came back up, filled it, and then it just came right back down, came up, and then, we went down. We plowed down, top TP1, you know what I'm saying? And then took TP2, and then you could have also, if you wanted to go long like that, you could have took a TP3 right there for them lows, and then we got smacked out as well. And this is about an hourly trade, 4-hour trade right there. But it's about getting them sniper entries. You know what I'm saying? Cause say if we'd have been waiting this whole day, and we wanted it to hit this 15-minute fair value gap, I would have missed it, you get what I'm saying, the whole day, just because I wasn't being conscious enough to see this other 15-minute fair value gap to form, because I was so strict on my bias of hitting this 15-minute fair value gap. The market's going to do what it's going to do, and you got to be conscious about what it's going to give you. So I should have been mindful, like, it could also give me another 15-minute fair value gap. So, but still, if we was being mindful of it, we would have tapped into this the next lower 15-minute fair value gap, got our entry. We could have got in probably like on a 55-minute. Yep, right here. We could have got in right here. But here, we could have got in this candle or this candle, and then from there, it was just straight glory from there. Straight glory. But yeah, if y'all got any questions, man, I got a link to my Discord. Gonna be in the description. Any questions, anything of that nature, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all know too much about liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, but I'm not going to make any videos on those. It's a lot of people that make the type videos. I'm just showing y'all my strategy for anybody wondering for the future tense. So, y'all got any questions on it, make sure y'all drop a sub, drop a like. Discord going to be in the description. Make sure y'all tap in. I'm going to say it again. Make sure y'all tap in. This link in the description. But yeah. If y'all done already, Eli COG, we out.